Here we are, you guys. St. Patty's Day, Michigan Avenue. So we're walking along here. Went to the Blacklock store and looked around here. It's Tuesday. The Blackhawks play tonight. So got my hoodie on. Blacklock store. $600 for a lettered sweater. This is the Miracle Mile. The Hunches Tower's back that way. Ooh, Lord. Oh, yeah. We were at, last time here, 2015, we saw Zane B after our last thing, so that was all kinds of fun stories. We had some Gino's East pizza. Michigan Avenue. It's kind of the strip like Las Vegas. So, kind of cool. Games tonight. We'll see Wild. We'll see what happens. St. Patty's Day 2026 here in lovely Chicago. So the Blackhawks store was fun, but my God, it's expensive as hell. Oh my goodness. I make the light here. Traffic everywhere, you can kind of tell. Downtown Chicago, St. Patty's Day. With my girl right there. I didn't buy anything in Chicago. They want hats, $45 for hats. So I'll tell you what, you like a Wild fan, a Blackhawks fan, go broke on hats. We'll walk down here, we'll see where it goes. Walk down a little farther. See what's down here. Yeah, you go broke in that Blackhawk store. Saw the Hunches facility back there. How much was the Uber from the hotel?
11.
$11. That's not bad.
Rush hour. Nothing down here, Joe.
Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna turn around. We got lids over there. Be a long drop, man. It's like 20 degrees. Not bad. I was going to film inside the store, but last time I did, the copyright struck me. I mean, I couldn't. I wasn't going to do it. There's too many people and there's too much music going on. So. It's pretty cool down here in Michigan. There's a couple. There was a store we were just in. There was like 2 things for the white trash, 2 things for White Sox. Some lady was looking for her boyfriend's. The boyfriend, like, they don't care about the white trash. Tacos. Michigan Avenue. Chicago on St. Patty's Day, huh? Look at those decks up there. Those decks. Hey, birdie. A little nippy today, but it's Chicago. Old buildings. Yeah, the Blackhawk store, you could bring $1,000 in there. They had a jacket. I mean, you could literally probably bring $2 grand and walk out with a bunch. I have enough Blackhawk stuff as it is. That's what it's all about. People come in and they get. One guy was going to get his sweatshirt lettered. Took 3 months to get it done. $600. These are some old ass buildings. You to go in that store?
It's open. People are waiting for it to open. Minutes.
All right, I'm gonna walk down the end and back. I'm
What?
gonna walk down and show them. I'll come back, okay?
Okay.
Bye bye Chicago. There's one over here too as well. So this was one she's waiting for right here.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. You know, until 11. So this is like a major Chicago one. So you can see this stuff right here. There he is, man. We're a lot of people. Souvenirs. A lot of people wearing green today. So there's the Blackhawk stores right over there. They put that like about 10 years ago. This is the one that doesn't have any White Sox, any kind of stuff in here at all. So band shop, the Bulls. You can see tons of fun stuff. Yeah, that's the Blackhawks, Pencil Dick, over there. You can buy some jewelry too as well. What the hell? All kinds of fun stuff. Huh. And you can go from down there. Michigan Avenue. We'll go look at the Hunches facility. He's got a tower here. Don't look like a gangster if this thing on. So there it is right there. There it is. Big ass building. Smash Burger. So there's the Hunches building right there. Trump Tower. There it is. Big ass tower. Imagine that tower, regardless of who owns that thing. I love Smash Burger, they're good. Let's go down and see Sue Ellen. glad I brought my Cowboys gloves. Anyways, kind of show you a little Michigan Avenue. What the hell? I think they call this the Miracle Mile or something, how they call it. So, she's looking for a beanie. We can walk to the stadium, it looks pretty close. We can go there, hang out. I think they got in finally. I don't know why you went over at 10 o'clock to anybody else, but I said this is a until all it's up in there. They got souvenirs left and right. And they didn't open up yet? What the hell's going on? Why they wouldn't be open? Well, that's pretty foolish. Alright, you guys.
It's pretty foolish.